We're gonna be switching out the cabin air filter on this 2018 Chevy Suburban. It's gonna be the exact same process from 2015 to 2019. The cabin air filter is located behind your glove box. You wanna go ahead and open that up. Remove this tab. Simply apply pressure inward on both sides. Identify our T10s. You're gonna remove 6 T10s. Remember, you have 2 on top, you have 3 located right here, and you have 1 on the side as well. Just come in here, pull down. We're going to identify our filter housing, which is 1 clip here and 1 clip here. Simply just push towards you. Simply remove that. Every filter. Remove any excess debris inside your filter housing. When installing your new filter, you want the airflow to be pointing downward. Airflow pointed downward. And then now we're ready to start putting everything back. Now that we're reinstalling, we're gonna wanna go ahead and remember to feed that little pulley through right here in that bottom, so we can go ahead and latch it onto the side, so you don't have to do the process all over again just to get that piece over.